Creative Fabrica's 29 Days of Love promo. Just quick update about the latest free bundles. If you don't know, Creative Fabrica is running the February promo. It's going to be until the end of the month. You can get unlimited access and unlimited studio access just for $47 per year. The regular price is $348. You can also sign up for free trial if you don't want to sign up for the whole year. Let me show you. If you sign up for free trial, you can get 10 free downloads, and after that the trial will finish. You need to unsubscribe if you don't want to continue, and if you want to continue, it's going to be just $4.99 per year if you sign up for the yearly plan. Otherwise it's going to be $9 per month, $9 per month, which is almost 70% discount. But let me show you the today's bundle and the previous one. So today's bundle is the Easter bundle. Well, let me scroll and show you the files. It's like a science. Let's open one of those files. You can see all the files, and when you open the single file, you can see different designs with this file, and when you scroll you can see what type of files you're gonna receive. Let me close this one. Let's check the yesterday one. Fabulous font bundle. When you scroll you can see the fonts. This one is with hearts. It's related to Valentine's Day. Very nice fonts. Let's open one of those, this one, and let's say this one. Okay, so this one is Mandalika. You can see different designs with this font and how it looks and what you're gonna receive. And the other one is also very nice. Let me check the designs. Yes. Okay, so let's check the last one. This one is free, awesome craft bundle. It's a 32 mini bundle sets. Let's scroll and check. This is t-shirt design bundles, but you can use them on mugs, on wall arts, on many kind of different products. So you can see here we have funny kitchen design. Let's open this one. We've got quotes, motivational, workout, adventure, sport, motivational. This one is single design. This one is quotes design bundle. This is probably just regular one. Father's Day, family single one, motivational. So if you download this bundle, you can get so many designs, and you can design for months. Wedding, beach, also family, St. Patrick, sassy one, fitness, faith and Jesus. Wow, actually I'm gonna download this as well. It's so many designs. Let's check which one is this. Kitchen funny designs. Here you can see what type of files you're gonna receive and the designs. And some of those files, let's try to open one with lots of pictures. Let's try this one to see. Yes, this one is with many pictures of the design, and you can see if you're gonna like them. So this one is the kitchen one, motivational one. So that's it for today, guys. I just wanna shoot this quick video. Get advantage of this promotion. If you don't want to sign for the whole year, sign up for free trial, get your 10 free downloads. Decide wisely, because it's better to download 10 bundles. Let's say bundles, font bundles, graphic bundles, and t-shirt design bundles, and after that you will have so many things to create with those bundles. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.